Nau mai koutou. Hi, my name is Ashlyn.
In Moa Te Rau Winton School, I'm Lily. Welcome to NEWS News for our part of the 18th of February.
We start the day with library news. Could Putia Brown,
Madeline Gwynn, Corey Ross Keneally, Nicole Davis
and Rebecca Torrey please meet Miss Colley in the library at 10:30 today. Thank you.
Health and safety news. There are still 1 or 2 students riding their scooters through the school after school.
Make sure you walk your scooters and bikes through school. Kia ora.
High vis vest. We are happy to announce that there were some classes yesterday with every single student wearing their high vis vest. Please do likewise.
That was us! Okay, tomorrow is TATS practices for all year 3 to 4 and year 5 to 6 teams, so remember your gear.
Tennis news. The nets are up for the whole term, so bring a racket and have a game. Mr. Wadsworth might even bust out his top spin one day.
Remember, if you miss any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
Thanks to everyone playing in the native bush area who kept out of the garden yesterday.
Ka pai. The little plants look like they're doing well and the place is looking good. Have a look.
Okay, let's get into Te Kupu or Te Wiki. This week's word is ru, which is te reo for earthquake.
Is it Ruana Te Whenua? The birthday! We have 2 birthdays today at Winton School.
Jacqueline Cairns and Mackenzie Hunter both turn 11. Double party! Ra whanau kai kia ora. Happy birthday, you two.
Okay, that's it for today. From everyone here at the NEWS team, ka kite a popo.
Haere rā, Winton School.